Okay, to really drive home our understanding of density, we're going to get the density of three aluminum objects. We've got a small cube here, a small cylinder, and a larger cylinder. And you can see that they have different masses. This one's just about 20, this one's a little bit over 36, and this one's a little over 49. It's definitely three different masses. They're different sizes, so they have different volumes. They take up different amount of space. 7, about 13, about 18. So now we're going to get the densities and compare them. So we want the density of each of these objects. So on our calculator, we're going to divide the mass by the volume, because remember, to get the density, we're going to always use that handy formula. Density equals mass divided by volume. So let's go ahead and calculate our densities of each very quickly here. So for the first cube, we've got 20.1 divided by 7.4. We end up with a density that's 2.7, and we'll go ahead and round it to 2.72. Units are grams per cc. Okay, that means there's about 2.7 grams for every cc of that aluminum cube. All right, let's go on to this one. And here we have a mass of 36.4 divided by 13.5. Divided out, we get 2.696. So we're going to just round that up to 2.70. And that, again, it's grams per cc. And our final density of our largest cube, we've got a mass of 49.4 divided by 18.3, and we get, wow, look at that, 2.699. So I'm just going to go up to 2.70 grams per cc. Well, let's look at these. Here, the first one's 2.72. This is 2.70, and this is 2.70 grams per cc. Oh my gosh, they're almost all exactly alike. We've got a little bit of experimental error in our measurements, but they're almost exactly alike. How could that be? They're different sizes. How could they have the same density? Well, as you'll discover, density is a property of the material itself. What this answer means about aluminum is there is about 2.7 grams of mass for every cc. So imagine it this way. If we were to take a little magical saw, cut out a cc out of this one, cut that little cc out of that, do the same for this, do the same for that, put it on a balance, they would all have a mass of about 2.7. So density is truly a property of the material itself. The density of aluminum, we can say pretty certainly that it's about 2.7. Check it out on the internet and see if other people agree.